start stream. Now it's working. So what we do is what we do, and what we don't is what we don't do. I don't know. Guess I kind of want to move the XP jar thingy. Might just move it to the top right corner and just have it always be there. That would mean disconnecting it from this panel. Putting it like here. Right. Really on this panel, I think. I lost it. Where the hell did it go? Why did it go to minus 63,000? Sometimes I just don't fucking know what's happening. Something like that. Should stay connected, I think. Yes. Probably have to go fix some bugs because I changed the way the save system works. Now every time I load a level, I should first thing I do is find the save system. Oh, don't do that. Quickly go into a scene. Find the game master. This needs to find the, or not really find it, just get it from the data loader, I guess. Hello. Hello, Christoph. He's not Christoph, it's going to be awkward. Ding. If data loader does not equal 0, not progression. I think it's not Crystal, I think it's me. It's showing me who was viewing myself. Love that hype I get when I see a viewer and then I just realize, oh wait, it was me. It was fucking me. I think I also have to redo the jar. XP jar, because in the end screen there's another XP jar. Which needs to be assigned to the progression. I guess in init is fine. When this get called. Or don't. Maybe I don't need this because I now see that it sets it. Think I do. Because I need to save some data anyway, so I need the progression. Trying to, yeah, there are references to the thing. Master should have it, so since everything is a master reference, then I don't care. Yep, don't care. Let me play a little bit, get some. I might first give these things a price. I think just for now I will make them all 5 or something. I think something 5. Right. I can also check if it will actually display the cost right. Feel like they should just remove English education from school and just make people force them to stream in English. Well, first you play video games for a year to learn the basics. Then when you know the basics, you stream for a year. And then you know English perfectly, I think. I really think that. We shop. See, we have 0 monies. It's 5. It does nothing if I click it. Okay. I do like the text. It makes it feel like a contract. Correct. Correct. Click. Oh, let's play a level, see if anything crashes, because I did change the basic structure of the game a bit. I should remove the ability to buy things right here. This is where you used to buy stuff, but now this will just be selection. In fact, let me do that first. I forgot that I also have to change that now. Alright. Oh. Be a lot of weird code now that does nothing, but I don't care. But this unlock button, I will just make it inactive. We'll have to make something which checks if it's unlocked. So I think what I'll do is on the try equip. This is stats panel in this case. I think the stats panel is a little text I added. Favorite text. Guess I can keep that for now. Why I split this in separate scripts. Already calls am I unlocked? It disables or enables an unlock button. Don't need anymore. I think that's the button I disabled anyway, yes. Let's remove this. Well, let's just change the name. Rename. It's fine. We rename it to unlocked image. Let's call it locked image. That's what it will be. Let's reverse these. I don't want to do this. One more reference, I think, but I think it counted itself as one reference, so it's fine. And it's a game object. The one and only Christoph. Anyway. Oh, he's here. He even said it before you commented. That's how good I am. I need to thingy. Yes, you heard that right. Let's do the cross. The X. It's more in the theme of the game. You hate that it is below the sail somehow. Text. Fuck the text. Isn't this great? I shouldn't not do this in start. I think. Maybe I do it in start. That do. Yeah, I can do it in start because this happens in awake. A shitty way to do code. So, how was your finals game? Kinda missed you while you were playing. You didn't even invite me. Very sad. Yeah, I think I made the X a little bit too big, but oh lol, it's still a button. Still a button. Oh, I don't care. Oh, it kind of blocks my. Why is this one crossed out? This is the default mode. It's always unlocked. Okay, something is not right. First of all, let me make this a little bit smaller because this is not acceptable. Second, let's make this not a button. Let's call this not unlock button, but something lock image. Alrighty. Let me test again and see what happens. I need to see the actual variables. I need some music. Let's listen to some cold spaghetti. I like myself some cold spaghetti. So if we look here, we can see this one is unlocked by me. This one is not. This one is not. This one is not. This one is. And this one is. So it's the blue, blue, yellow that I don't have unlocked. Now check a level. I think it's reversed. That's why I'm remembering this. Yeah, blue, blue, yellow is the ones that I can unlock. Or I'll not even. Won't select it, but it will allow me to select it, which is the opposite of what I want. So if the item is unlocked. Oh. I think this should solve the problem already. I read it wrong the first time when I changed it. I read this as am I locked? It's not right. Back. He's back. Yeah. I think I fixed my everything. Look at this menu, by the way. Look how sexy it is. You can click on ship, see the stats, see the price, buy it. I might allow some upgrades in the future. I don't know yet. And then we go to the level. And I can choose them. And play the game. And all my weapons are not unlocked. Because I broke something. I broke all my weapons. They're all saying that they are the mine layer. Right now. It's not good. Oh, I need to fix this. I don't feel like fixing it. Pizza. Oh, I feel like eating pizza. What's your favorite pizza? That's a good question. Pee pizza. You like pee on your pizza? No, 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 no. You've said pee. So that's your answer. What the hell does Greek mean? I've never heard of Greek pizza. I know Turkish pizza. Don't they put a lot of vegetables on it? See a bunch of vegetables. What the hell? Like I like Hawaii is very good. Like pineapple on pizza is the best shit. Give me that. Oh, gyros. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that sounds very good. That's kind of like a Turkish pizza, but with another type of meat. And it's an actual pizza. So I like Hawaii and yeah, well, put dinner on it. Also, I guess I also like pepperoni. Salame. Yes. Let me show you an example. What else is so fucking small? Let me do a demonstration. Hello. Of course I like pineapple on pizza. They also like lamb shawarma. Completely forgot what I was doing. Talking about pizza and pineapples. Hiya, 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 ha. Oh yeah, I was doing the weapon unlocking. With Manical, what kind of pizza do you like? We were talking about it. I said Hawaiian, which is the best, obviously. And Sky One over here said Greek, which I think is a country. I don't think it's a pizza actually. I think you're confusing countries and fucking pizza, which is interesting. While you think about that, I will do some work. Shit, you already said it. Lots of vegetables. No, oh no. And the vegetables is the only thing I don't like on pizza is vegetables. Because to me it's junk food, right? I just want cheese, fucking meat. Chicken is also good. Chicken and some spicy chili sauce. Mm. I'm glad the Italian is not here. I have an Italian friend. He will go crazy. Let me see where the weapon thingies are. Not here. Weapon selection. It is. It's this. Yeah, we also have a Turkish pizza. Maybe you know it. It's not even a pizza, but I like it. It's basically a big wrap with dinner, shawarma, kind of like gyros. And it's great. It's like huge. It's like this big. It's amazing. Everyone's coming in for the pizza talk right now. It's like you people heard we were talking about pizza and you were like, I want some pizza. Um, I am supposed to do something now, so I don't remember how I made all of this. Like when you work on a game for a year or longer, eventually you will start forgetting the first things you made. So I have no idea how the hell this works. So give me some time to find out. Okay, this is how you select a weapon to put it on your ship. Yo 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 yo. I wasn't there. I wasn't there. I was doing something else on 11 September November. Don't you see my nice beard? I'm actually quite good at flying planes, so right, unlock item. I know what the problem is. I deleted all my save data, so whenever it tries to see which weapons I have unlocked, it has 0 weapons unlocked because I deleted it. Now, how do I fix? Wait, you said 1939. Thought you meant like the recent January 6th. Now I have to look this up. Look this up. It's probably something horrible. But we can learn some history together. Ah, I see. See, Germany had its January 6th. Aha. And crazy to think the government can just say like, you are not a person anymore. Oy, oy, oy. So I have two buttons right here. One is the equip and one is the unlock. I don't need the unlock anymore. Oh, let's get rid of that. Don't need it anymore. Go away. Okay, that already solved that problem. But I can do the same thing I did before and turn this into a lock image. Yeah. Don't know what you're on about. Um, this I don't need. Just need an image. X. This is what I need. So then here we get a lock image. We can put it there. So we don't unlock things in game anymore. So need to get rid of all of this. But I should have some weapons unlocked. So I am not sure why. None of them unlocked. Okay, that's a little bit weird. Keep in mind that this is a very early version of the whatever this is gonna look like. Let me test it again. I want to see exactly where it's going wrong. Because I have some default items right here in the list, which should be unlocked by default. So the cannon is one of them. Let's see if it even still does it. Unlock default. Why does this return a list? I'm confused. This just returns a list. Oh no.
Hallo. Stel op je antwoord.
Wat?
Wat is stel op je antwoord?
Nee. Wat gaan we eten, is mijn antwoord.
Met grote bloemkolen.
Met bami schijven. Almost died right now. So this just returns a list. So let's see. Ah, I see. So whenever it creates a new save file, it will unlock it. Otherwise it won't. So I need to delete my save again. Don't look at my folders. Go somewhere users, me. Okay, I deleted my save file. So now it should unlock all the weapons. I should probably do a check. Hello. Goodbye. My door. Okay. People think they can just leave my fucking door open. Okay, thingy. Let's see if I have any weapon unlocks. I should also have only the default ship right now. Yes, as you can see. I can still click on these. But I cannot raise the anchor. Yes, it works now. See if I can still click on these, because it's also kind of important. I cannot. I can get some sauce. Let me try dying. Seeing if that still works. Because someone told me that dying didn't work anymore. Yeah, I see. There's an error. Okay, there's a million errors. I think this is the main problem, the initialization. Oh, I think there's no personal best. That's the problem. Right? Let me just check how the save data gets created. It does make a personal best. Maybe. Depends if it still calls this method. Well, we figured out what this code is for. This just adds a personal best for every level. And every possible future level I could make. It's kind of funny. It adds a personal best of 0. But did this get called? That's the question. Well, since I deleted my save, it should have created a new save. Right here. Ah, I see. Oh no. This doesn't matter. Then it does this anyway. And right here, it checks if there's no personal best and it calls this. Okay. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's happening. What calls in it? This calls in it. What calls this? Dying calls this. Okay. And what calls die? Just keep following the trail. Die is called if health is lower than 0. And calls die. I think it keeps calling die. For whatever reason. Which is a problem. I should probably put something here like public bull died. And then whenever you die, you say died equals true. And then you need to, of course, add died equals false as a check. Whenever we haven't died yet, we can die, basically. So we cannot die twice. I don't think this will fix my error, but I think this will make it easier to spot my error. I'm hoping at least. But why was progression disabled just now? Oh, that was weird. That looked very weird. Or, oh, maybe I know. I think I know. Maybe I don't. I always think that I know and then I don't. Yeah, I fucking don't. Well, we'll see. We will see. We will see. Um, oh yes. Oh, my brain was short-circuiting for a moment. Time to die. Time to kill myself. Okay. And what's nice is that now I still get a million errors, but I don't get repeat errors. I think. Don't think these matter. I think these also don't matter. Maybe. Maybe they do matter. It's weird. I'm getting different errors right now than before. This might be a problem. I'm not sure what is even using this. Look at nearest enemy. I think the Glock is using this. I think the Glock is using this. That can't be. Because the Glock is not even in use. Shit, let me test it again. But now I should remove the errors. The ones that I don't care about. I could also try fixing the errors, but nah. That's not how I do things. I just keep piling up the errors until the game don't run anymore. I think my chat is not updating again. Oh no. Or my boy is just very silent. Let me reload the page. Hmm. These errors keep on happening. They should stop whenever I get in the level. Alright, they stopped happening. Oh shit, I'm watching my own stream. I was thinking, how the hell do I have 2 viewers? That shouldn't be possible. I'm not getting any errors, so that's interesting. But it's also not really doing anything. But it's also not an infinite loop. That does tell me a lot. Let's just think a little bit. We'll call this. I think all of this works fine. Let me first look at the actual thingy. What the hell? It's progress screen. It's not. I'm in the prefab right now. Screen. Oh. Progress screen. We can look at the actual values that are happening. We can see the T has actually reached the total time, which means that, let's see where I actually use the T. So this is bigger than total time, so we're at least inside this. So it is called this. I think the problem is in this part. Or this part, maybe. You can also check the end screen state. Show XP. So it has also done this, which means it has at least tried to do this. So it gets the scene number, which is basically the level ID. Now we do this. Well, this is just for saving a new personal best, which I don't really care about. Is that all it does? Check for a new personal best. It is working, but it's just not working. Should activate this text though, which says press any button to continue. Let's see why that hasn't happened. Would be like something indicating, and I think it's this one. So yeah, whenever this doesn't happen, that's for sure. We are playing detective right now. this doesn't happen, it means this never happens, which means the XP jar does not get updated properly. I think this fixes it. This just a guess. Because right now the XP jar is trying to go from 0 to 0. It's the same problem I had previously, where if you just start counting up until you get higher than I don't fucking know. Let me just look at this. Set level over time. Let's assume both of these are 0. Someone calling me? I think someone was calling my name.
Om zu essen. Dinner time.
Yeah. It's dinner time, boys. We need to. I will finish this though, because I'm almost there, and I've been thinking so hard. So. I am still a little bit confused. This will just go from 0 to 0. Over time, which is fine, I guess. I see the problem. This is happening until it reaches level goal. But this never happens. At least when this is 0, it will just stay at 0 and it will never become bigger. So this should be like this. I fixed it. Now I don't even really have to know what I was just working on to fix it. That's the beauty of this method I just did. I kind of needed to know. One thing I needed to know was that these two were 0. Because I don't have collected any XP. Both of those would be 0. Wait. This is not right. Wait, I'm so confused. This should be like this. Let me just really quickly do this. Exactly. This is the last thing I will check. But I'm pretty sure this happens. Even if it stays in this infinitely. Oh, I get it. I get it. Why didn't I just do it like this in the first place? So confused now. Okay, this is the last test and then I will go to dinner. Only did the big stupid a few times, so it's fine. I should honestly be using callbacks for this, probably. Okay, let me start this once. Yeah. I'm eating cauliflower for dinner with potatoes and probably something vegan. But they have some good vegan options nowadays. Like sometimes I think like this shit's almost better than real meats. But you need to look. You need to find the good stuff. It's not. Most of it is shit. I will admit. There's some good stuff in there. What I think is the weirdest about vegan food is most of the time it's more expensive than meat for some reason. Which doesn't make sense because it's plants. But I think it's more expensive because only rich people go vegan. That's basically it. Rich people go vegan, so they make it more expensive. Oh my god, it works. It works. Now I can click. And then it works. Oh my god. Okay, dinner time. Parents are vegan. That's cool. You should eat your parents, I think. Yes. Goodbye. Plop.